Hello guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. So today we are going to simplify 2 over root of 3 plus root of 2. So this is a third question. Okay, so to solve this, the first thing you need to do is to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so we have 2 on root of 3 plus root 2. So to rationalize the denominator, this is what I mean. You see that the denominator is root 3 plus root 2. Okay, so to rationalize the denominator, we are going to get root 3 minus root 2. Okay, the sign is going to change to negative. So if it was to be negative, it will change to positive. Then you use it to multiply both the denominator and the numerator. So we are going to get root of 3 minus root 2, then multiply by root of 3 minus root 2. So this is it. So this is the first step you must go through when dealing with this type of question. Good. So now you have to multiply the numerator by numerator, then denominator by denominator, since it's a multiplication. So we are going to get 2 multiplied by root of 3 minus root of 3 on, it's root 2, So on root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2. Good. Like this. Now, we have to expand brackets. Okay. So 2 multiplied by root 3, we are getting 2 root 3. Don't forget, we are multiplying something like this. Okay. We assume that, so it's like 2 multiplied by root 3. So we assume that there is a number here and the number is 1. Okay, so it's going to be 2 times 1 root 3. Okay, so it will be 2 root 3. Please, we don't use what is under the root. Okay, so for instance, you can get 2 multiplied by 2 root 3. And in this case, it's going to be 2 times 2 root 3. You see, so it will be 4 root 3. Good. So take note. And also, when you have root 2 multiplied by root 3, this one, since they are all under the root, it's going to be, so 2 times 3 under the root. So we are getting root 6. Do you get it? Good. So let's come to the main work. Now we have our minus here. So 2 times negative root 2. We are getting 2 root 2. So on. Now, as you can see, we are having root. So root 3 multiplied by root 3. You see? So it's going to be, so then root 3 multiplied by root 3. So which is 3 times 3. You see, under the root. So we are going to get 3 times 3, which is what? 9. So we get root 9. Okay. And we know the square root of 9. Okay. And what is the square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. So we say that root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. You see? Good. So let's do it here. So we are going to get root 3 times root 3 to be root 3 multiplied by root 3. See? Okay. Then root 3 times negative root 2. So it's going to be minus into brackets root 3 multiplied by root 2. Let's continue. Plus this will come. So it's going to be root 2 multiplied by root 3. This one. Then the last pair, we have this. So it's going to be minus into brackets root 2 times root 2. You see? Good. So let's continue to simplify this. So we have root 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 all on. Now, this is the same as root 3 times root 3. We have root 9. You see? Then minus root 3 times root 2 is what? Root 6. Plus root 2 times root 3. We are getting positive root 6. Minus root 2 times root 2. We have minus root 4. See? Good. Okay, so we can still simplify things out. We can say that 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 on, you see that the root of 9 is 3. So we write our 3 here. Then minus 6 because it's not a perfect square. Plus our 6. Then root 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So the sign here is negative. So we get negative 2. Good. And don't forget, this is minus root 6 plus root 6. So we can cancel out these 2. Okay. So we are going to get 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 on 3 minus 2. And we know that 3 minus 2 is 1. So we are going to get 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 on 1. And 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 on 1 is the same as 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Good. So this is our answer for the said. This is the simplified form. Good. So I'll urge you to try this. So your trial question: simplify 2 root 3 on 2 root 2 plus root 3. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you.